Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, to see what's new on the shelves. Now they had a few Christmas arrivals as well as new everyday and home decor items that I have never seen. So be sure to look out for these items on your next trip out. So let's dive in. Now when I first walked in, there was an end cap full of these MDF wood type of letters. Now the fun thing about these is these have little Santa hats on them. They're for the holidays. They just put them out, so get to your Dollar Tree early to pick your selected letters. Another new item they had that I'd never seen are these beaded rings with the Christmas trees in the center with initials on them, you guys. These are new to my Dollar Tree. I saw them in black and white and red and white. I can absolutely see using these year round and even taking them apart to use the individual pieces and crafts. So definitely grab a few of these. And look at these yard stakes. These were new to my Dollar Tree. They have them in green and black and red and black and a plaid design, and these are solid metal. Now some more yard stakes that they had were these. These are little characters. So this is the little girl elf. They had Santa Claus here, the boy elf, and an angel, all metal for yard stakes, and the detail in these is so amazing. Now check out these little stockings. This is the first time I've seen the initial stockings in a sweater knit design. I think these would be so cute to put little gifts in for like coworkers and friends. So much fun, and these look so high end. Now this is the first time I've seen these. My Dollar Tree waited to put these out. They had these little deer on stands in red and black and green and black. I did grab a few of these for my crafts. And I showcased the placemats in this design last week, but look, they have mugs to match. So if you're looking for the mugs to match those placemats last week, check out your Dollar Tree. Now check out these little lights. These are little table lights. They have the metal Christmas tree design on these, really cute for the holidays. They also had one in the shape of a star. So whether you need a Christmas tree or a star, they do have these battery operated lights. Now, the Dollar Tree has definitely been picking up their gift bag game. My goodness, the detail in these new gift bags is amazing. Now, these newest ones that I've seen have a layered design, you guys, are really high-end looking. I love that one with the wagon and the tree. And look at this one with the gift tag. You can see it's an additional layer. The detail in these is so amazing, almost too good to just be a gift bag. Now, this Noel one has to be one of my favorites with that glitter poinsettia that's also a 3D image, and also this round one with the wreath that says Season's Greetings. It's also layered. You guys, if you see these, grab them for gifts or even your crafts. Now, this is my first time seeing these. I'm not sure if these came out during Thanksgiving and fall or Christmas, but this green and red one definitely would be beautiful to use for your Christmas decor. Now look at this little apron. Now this was in the plus section. I love this red and white polka dot apron. It gives me so many retro vibes. And look, it even has a little pocket on the front. This was only $5 in the plus section. Now back in the 125 items, they represented the pets really well this year. Look at this little puppy with the little plaid sweater on for a Christmas ornament decor piece, really cute. And they had more pet signs I've never seen. And this one is Dear Santa, I have been a very good cat this year, really cute. Now they also have these little paw print signs. So these are really thick and heavy MDF. I was really surprised at the quality. And this one says Happy Holidays. That's so adorable. They had another one that said Furry and Bright, and it's in the color red, and a blue one that said Dashing Through the Snow. Now they had some square signs as well. This says Meowie Christmas for the kittens, really cute. And they have a red one that says Official Gift Sniffer for the dogs. Now check out this little one. Has that garland trim on it that's really cute, and it has a little pet that it's a little gift that it's carrying. Now the large signs are back in the pet section. This is the first time I'm seeing these large bone pet signs. They have different phrases and sayings on them. Oh my goodness, these are so adorable. I love these signs, and they definitely can be painted over to make them year round. Now look at this. This is a little stocking with paw prints on it. Oh my goodness. Pack this with little gifts and toys for your fur babies. I think that would be so adorable. Now onto the Christmas or regular household decor. Look at these. These bless our home signs are really cute. They also have welcome family and friends. I love that they have this screwed in solid metal hooks on them. Such great quality for $1.25. Some more gifts that they had are these little signs here. These are little date signs. So they have the month block and the date blocks on there. They had 4 different styles on these. Perfect for basket fillers or little gifts and trinkets. I love these little things. Now look at these. These were brand new to my Dollar Tree. These are metal shapes that are mounted on an MDF wood base. These are showing that you can hang pictures on them, but you can also use these for so many other things in crafting and designing. I definitely grabbed a couple of these for crafts. These are such a great find for $1.25. And more home decor that they had. Look at these orbs. I love this scale-like design on them. These look really high-end. I know I've seen these at higher-end stores for much more than $1.25, and these can also be painted if you like. Some new picture frames that they had are these puzzle pieces. Now these are actually really large pieces. They have them in several colors. That one was in black. Here is one in white. Now the picture insert is 4x6, and I think that these are so adorable, especially for a child's room. Here's one in mint green. Now I'm not sure if they interconnect, but if they do, wouldn't that be so adorable for decor in a nursery or a child's room? And these can even be painted. Now here's that last one in the color gray. Definitely pick up a few of these. Now look at these little bottles, so cute. They have the little topper lid that looks like crystal. This one is in a smoky pink color. This is the only color that my Dollar Tree had at the time, but I think that these are gorgeous. Another home decor item are these letter boards. You guys, these are so nice. Now it comes with the letter board and also all of the letters on the back. I can see putting 2 of these together to make a larger letter board. I think this is such a good deal for $1.25. And these are new to my Dollar Tree. These are light strands, but they have clips for pictures to go along them. How innovative is that? I think that is such a cute idea. These are new at the Dollar Tree, $1.25. Now in the craft section, look at these wood shapes that are mounted on these dowels. These are nice, you guys, very good quality. They have one in a hexagon shape. Here's one in a star. You could stain, paint, use these in arrangements and decor. And look, they even have one that's in the shape of a heart. We all know that Valentine's Day is coming, so you definitely want to grab these if you see them. And look, I finally found these pom-pom makers. I have never seen these inside my Dollar Tree. They have this large one and they have a 2-pack of smaller ones for $1.25. This is definitely a great deal if you love pom-pom type crafts. Now, if you're looking to get into cross stitching or know someone who loves it, they have these cross stitching kits. Now, they have 2 different bags. This first bag has M to Z, and they have the little round piece with all the decorations. And the second one is A through L, and they have this other pink design in them. I think that these are so adorable, and if you love or want to get into cross stitching, these are definitely something you should try. Now, I am a fabric lover because I love to sew. When I saw these tropical designs, I was blown away. The quality of these are so nice. I love the birds. I love the animal prints, all of the greenery and tropical designs. These would be perfect to make a little quilt. You can make pillows, pillow covers, little trinket bags and drawstring bags and make gifts. I definitely picked up one of each for a unique craft I'm working on. You guys, check it out. They just put these out on the shelves at my Dollar Tree, and these fabric pieces are gorgeous. Now, I'm in the medicine section, but check this out. They have this pill organizer, and the first thing I thought when I saw this was to organize small beads and little trinkets and things like that. This would be perfect for craft room organization. I've never seen this type of organizer. Now, with New Year's coming and Mardi Gras, the end caps are full with fun stuff. So they have garland and little party poppers for New Year's here. They also have all of the colors for Mardi Gras. They have your beads, they have your little hats in different colors. They also have some really beautiful designs in their beads this year. This one is in the shape of little coins. They have the square ones that are in the shape of little dice, and they have regular beads. Now, I love to use these in my craft, whether I paint them. You could use these for anything but Mardi Gras, but check these out. These really blow me away every year. The masks that they have for Mardi Gras are so detailed and so beautiful. If you guys are ever planning a masquerade party or need a mask, or even want to use them as unique decor, check out the Dollar Tree. These masks are amazing, and I was so surprised at the quality and the makeup of these. Now, of course, you got to top everything off with a fun, glittery hat. So they had everything you would need for your end of the year and Mardi Gras parties. Now, another thing I saw in the party section are these metallic streamers. I've never seen them in the metallic color, so I grabbed a gold and silver for a possible DIY, but they were the first time find for me on this trip. Now, my Dollar Tree definitely had the tumbling tower blocks out around Christmas time. They love to show these off as stocking stuffers, and they get them all in stock this time of year. I strongly urge you guys, if you have a hard time finding them during the year, grab them now. And for all my old school people, me included, they had a ton of DVDs and Blu-rays at my Dollar Tree. You guys, they had so many. These make really cute stocking stuffers and things like that if you have members of your family or even friends that still love DVDs and Blu-rays. And check this out, they even had CDs. Oh my goodness, I was just so shocked to see these. So if you're looking for cheap $125 stocking stuffers or gifts for people who still love DVDs and Blu-rays and CDs, check out the Dollar Tree. And don't mind me, I'm just swinging by the laundry aisle to pick up a couple more bottles of these in-wash boosters. I love these, so I'm just going to throw a few in my cart and keep on moving. Now, in the laundry section, they also have this clothesline. Now, I never really paid attention to clothesline before, but look at the colors, green and white and red and white. They scream Christmas to me, so I grabbed one of each for a possible DIY in my future. Now, in the food section, I've never tried these little panettone cakes. I believe that's what they're called. They had them in vanilla, they had them in regular and chocolate chip. If you guys have tried these, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know your feedback. Now, also, look, they have pure vanilla. I was so shocked. We've seen the artificial vanilla, but they have pure vanilla. I had to check it out, so I opened up the box and look, it has the tiniest little bottle. So it is pure, so it probably won't give you much. This is equal to about 3 teaspoons. So if you need vanilla for one recipe, check out the Dollar Tree. Now, also in the kitchen section, they had new shot glasses. Here's to us. Bottoms up. Cheers, you all. Salt, tequila, and repeat. So many different little styles that you can add to your collection if you have these. And look, they even had the acrylic wine glasses with a pet theme. So they didn't leave the pets out. If you are a fur baby lover, you definitely should grab some of these for your collection. And finally, the bonus boxes are back. So I love when they put the bonus storage container boxes out. Things that would usually be 2 are now 3 pieces. Some things that are 3 are now 4 pieces, and on and on. I like to keep my storage containers fresh, so I often buy these, but also, number 1, I love using these for storage in my craft space and in my tool space. You guys, these come in so handy. They had so many different styles, and being now this time of year, you get that bonus one. It's a perfect time to buy them. Now, they had the push-on snap lids, and they had several other different styles as well with compartments. And one of my favorites are these round ones that have the screw-on lids that keep the items from falling out. So if your Dollar Tree gets these, they usually don't last long, so I would buy them when you see them. Now, if you missed my last video featuring more awesome everyday 125 and plus item finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right hand corner of this video or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see what I create with my finds, my DIY videos will be on Tuesdays and Fridays, so set your alarms so you don't miss it. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know what was your most exciting find at Dollar Tree recently. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.